Hello and welcome. Greg here from Crewe Volkswagen, showcasing to you today this fabulous looking brand new Volkswagen Touareg, available here in the range-topping black edition. Finished here in lovely silicon grey metallic colour, this particular one boasts from optionally upgraded 21-inch Leeds black diamond turned alloy wheels, power folding tow bar with trailer assist and even 30 colour ambient lighting. In the front, matrix LED adaptive headlights are available, as well as these gorgeous alloy wheels which are definitely guaranteed to turn heads. The real party piece here is the redesigned LED taillights, which now feature coast to coast with even the illuminated Volkswagen badge. This model even benefits from a panoramic sunroof with tilt and sliding function, but for added convenience, keyless entry and power operated tailgate, revealing an absolutely cavernous load area. Easy controls will reveal that power folding and opening tow bar, and it features the standard 13-pin connectivity. Passengers in the rear will also enjoy loads of legroom and headroom with this Vienna Leather upholstery, as well as two ISOFIX chan anchor points are on offer with center armrest and your very own 2-zone climate control in the rear. Moving to the front, newly redesigned decorative door and dash inserts feature additional ambient lighting, whilst front sport seats with our logo embossed on them will offer plenty of comfort, being electrically adjustable with a memory function. The driver can certainly enjoy this leather-wrapped multifunction heated steering wheel, which can control various functions, and the large digital cockpit up ahead is a joy to use. Featuring a number of active safety systems on offer, such as lane departure warning and front assist city emergency braking, as well as can display satellite navigation up ahead with large crystal high-definition graphics. All music and Bluetooth needs are available, as well as bespoke off-road modes. Additionally, road sign recognition camera is also available for the vehicle, and the system is incredibly crystal clear. Whatever drive mode you choose, the ambient lighting inside the cabin will also change accordingly. Of course, the party piece here, being the 15-inch Innovision Cockpit as well, features various menus such as a more conservative one like this one. Pairing your phone is incredibly easy and will allow you to stay in touch with family and friends, whilst FM and DAB digital radio are on offer at all times. Various vehicle settings will also allow you to personalize this Touareg to make it your own one too, and there's even App Connect, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto wireless connectivity. Built-in SatNav can be displayed simultaneously on the big screen and the digital cockpit, whilst bespoke drive modes are also available, such as Eco, Comfort or Normal or Sport, but also there are 4x4 systems such as Off-Road, Snow and Off-Road Expert as well. To help you park, there is an area view 360-degree parking camera system complemented by front and rear parking sensors. Whatever the weather, easy-to-use 2-zone climate control system is available in the front with heated steering wheel and heated front seats. Wireless induction charger is available for your device, and this model even benefits from air suspension, allowing you to raise or lower the car depending on your needs, with easy overhead controls for the panoramic sunroof.